Today, I'm gonna show you guys what a weekend here in Vietnam looks like. It's gonna be raw, it's gonna be fast, but it's gonna show you guys if this lifestyle is suited for you. Welcome to paradise. It's Thursday morning, so let's start off the day with a quick sweat session. So after the gym, I love going to one of my favorite lunch spots here in Tao Dien. So I'm just here at Betville right now. Let's head it on inside. So we're back home now, and this place is an absolute disaster. So I have my friend flying in tomorrow from Canada, and I'm super excited about it. So right now I'm just literally moving the office out of the office into the bedroom, and as you guys can tell, it is a disaster. Look at my room, just stuff everywhere right now. So this was the office. The desk used to be there, and my god, I hate moving, and I'm only moving one room over. So Brennan, you better love me for this. You didn't even flinch. So my friend is arriving here in Ho Chi Minh City in the next hour here. So I'm just gonna get dressed, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm gonna go pick him up. And I'm super excited. It's been 3 years since I've seen one of my best friends from Canada from home. So familiar face. I'm excited about this. You think there's gonna be a new roommate in the house?
I know. I gotta go to work, so I don't gotta meet him right now.
But she'll come for lunch with us, so we'll see her then. We'll see her then. Sitting there, bro. I haven't seen you for so long. So we just picked up my friend Brennan, and now I'm gonna take him home, and then I'm gonna take him out to do a few different things, like go shopping and grab some lunch today. But my best friend is here! Dude, no, every time, airplane food sucks. We all know that. Because Brennan's gonna go shower because he's crusty. And then we are gonna go meet up with Francis and my friend Shammer for some vegan lunch. Alright guys, let's go get some food. Alright guys, so I'm taking Brennan to one of my favorite, oh there he is. There they are. We're gonna be having some vegan sandwiches, and they're absolute fire. What's up?
I love how you managed to recognize us before Tony did. Hi. Hi.
Shammer, Ron.
Nice to meet you. Francis. Brennan. How do you want to be called?
Braun.
Braun. Easier.
Pink looks good on you, man. Pink looks good on you.
Well, everything looks good on me.
Okay, there. Okay. I think this is just for coffee. Can we order food here?
This is the menu.
So you order 5 mojo pesto?
Yes.
And 1 lavry stew with 5 cups?
Yes, please. Okay, thank you. Alright guys, this sandwich, so good. Can't wait to show you guys when it comes out.
Right. It's time to shine.
No spicy?
Well, what do you think, boys?
Hold on.
It's good.
Right.
Bro, why are you holding it like that?
He's
What
doing
is
like
this?
the Justin Bieber burrito thing.
Yeah, it's yum.
You didn't look super impressed when I was telling you about it earlier. So
No.
I was like, oh.
Well, how is it?
It's yum.
I'm telling you, dude, it's so good. Got that
That's spicy.
vegan cashew cheese, got some pesto, sun-dried tomatoes, some lettuce.
Ready? I'll see you later.
See you later. It's a little cold, So I was just telling Brennan the dating game is like super interesting out here. So he gets on a Tinder, and probably his first 10 swipes, 10 for 10 matches. That's not how it works in Canada.
Shit's too easy.
I think I'm not allowed to film here. As we just got kicked out of the pool, kinda. He just told us I wasn't allowed to film. But we're gonna head inside, we're gonna get ready to meet up with some friends for dinner and take you guys along. Good morning, guys, and welcome to beautiful Ho Chi Minh City. A little bit tired this morning. Of course, we went out last night, and my body's just so used to waking up at 7 in the morning that no matter what I do, whether I go out, I stay in, I will naturally wake up at 7:30 or 7 in the morning. So I'm pretty tired because we all got back yesterday, probably at about 1, and you know what we did? We got some McDonald's. Yeah, bad idea. This, my sexy boss right here. My boss Keith, aka also mine and Brennan's best friend who lives in Canada, he made me work today while I have a guest in Vietnam. Right here, what do you think of that, Brennan?
Dude, that's so disrespectful, Keith. It's my second day in Vietnam. All I want to do is hang out with Tony. And he has to work, dude.
Because of you.
You're an ass.
Because of you. But we're gonna take Brennan out for some coffee in a little bit, and then there is this really cool taco fest in Taoyuan that is hosted by Outcast. They host the coolest food events, concerts, and everything there. It's a great venue, so we're gonna take you guys there, and we're gonna check out what some events look like for the expat community here in Ho Chi Minh City. One of Francis's co-workers, and actually Shammer's co-worker, opened up a beautiful coffee shop here in District 3. So it is the grand opening today, so we're just here to show him some support and check out his coffee shop. Brennan has never had a Vietnamese coffee.
No.
Alright, so
What do you recommend, Percy?
recommend this one.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Tea? Okay, I'll get that. Something you guys will notice about Vietnam is the coffee culture here is really cool. And anywhere around the city you'll find really hipster, just like Shammer, coffee shops to check out, do some work, and hang out, or meet some of your friends for a coffee in the morning.
Wanna vibe at the getaway. Shimmy, yeah, got the semi-4 weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the top.
So if you have nowhere to go, you come now here to stay. Perfect play on words. Oh, what?
It's a latte with 2 T's and an E.
Where's the T? 2 T's and E? TTE?
TTE.
Titty. Was that the joke?
They're like
Titty
best
or no?
friends, and they just
Titty.
I was surprised because you didn't tell me today. You got it.
So he brought out a croffle. Never had one before. What is it exactly?
It's a croissant waffle combined. It's like a croissant but a waffle.
A croissant and
Croissant?
let's try it. It looks pretty good. So we're about to try a croffle here. It's basically a mix of a croissant and waffle. I've never had it before. It looks really good. There's like white sugar on it. Looks fantastic.
And I was chatting to my friend yesterday on DJ.
Oh, here, look at that
We were chatting,
sugar.
and after summer, when we come back, we're gonna do like a thing together. Yeah.
It's so good.
Hopefully I get on it.
Oh my
Like,
god.
really-
It's so warm, it's soft, it's sweet, buttery.
I would say it tastes like, you know, churros, like the Spanish dessert that you like dip in chocolate, but you get them with like cinnamon on top. It tastes like churros.
So good. Let's try this. It's fire.
I am buzzing. I am buzzing off this.
Dude, I'm telling you, you're gonna be fucked. It's like
I haven't
crack.
had any food.
He hasn't eaten anything. That was a big coffee too.
I didn't eat dinner either.
Dinner. This morning, bro. Oh.
Yeah, we're talking about a new day here.
New day,
Oh, yeah.
man. It's a little late.
Haven't had breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Oh.
That's good, right?
That's good. All you, man.
It's fantastic, eh? So good. Bye, yo. Yo.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold.
About this place here, which is called
Saigon Outcast.
Saigon Outcast. Is they always host these super cool food events, and we're at one right now. So we're gonna order some tacos here right now. Cheers.
For wait, don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the top and top.
Another day working for Keith, ruining our plans, Brennan. What do you think about that? It's a Sunday. Keith is out here making me grind at my desk.
Keith, you personally know how hard and how long I worked for this vacation. And you're taking it away from me, you ass.
Just kidding, Keith, we love you. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the final and last day of the weekend. It is Sunday today, so this will be the last day of this video. And today, just catching up on some work for Keith, you know, my boss that we've been making fun of. But we are actually going to be doing archery tag today, which is super, super cool. Francis and I haven't done it in months. Like Brennan hasn't done it ever. But he does hunt in Canada, so he might be pretty good at this. But I'm gonna catch up on some work, and then we are gonna be heading down to archery to do some archery tag. What's up? We are right now here to do some archery tag. I haven't done this in so long, but it's one of the funnest activities that you can do here in Ho Chi Minh City if you can get enough of your friends to check it out. But check this out. We got more of these. This is only one, but they got a bunch over there as well that they're blowing up. We got these bow and arrows. And then at the end, there is a water balloon fight. So it's gonna be super, super fun and some high intensity action. What are we doing today, baby? Are we gonna win?
Are we on the same team?
I don't know. Are we gonna be on the same team? If not, I'm gonna shoot you right in the tit. Yeah, I know, he is a hunter.
I came out of the womb with a bow and arrow.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. All I really take is a little taste. I like girl blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe it to get away. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-fold weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. Whoa. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left it. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times, live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessing nature, not a world mind. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my.
So we are back from archery tag. Francis has some pretty gnarly wounds. First,
This is my normal arm.
normal arm.
Ready?
Ready? Look at that. What did you do?
I don't know. I got beaten up. It hurts a little bit.
No injuries?
Small one.
Oh shit, you got one too. Dude, I'm good, guys. So this is what we got here. We got the noodles with the seasoning, got some scallops, shrimp, beef, mussels, broccoli and cauliflower. Coconut bhaji in the crock pot. And if you guys enjoyed that video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, comment, and subscribe, as it would really help me out. And it was also perfect that my friend came into town, so I was really able to show you guys what it feels like, what it looks like to live here as an expat. Hopefully it wasn't too fast-paced because it did cover 4 days, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.
You feel alive, let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac.